yellow.
YouTube
fire.
here with another goddamn vlog for you and shit.
We here, damn it.
MIA shit. We in the A with it. We in the A with it.
Head
you
taps.
know what I'm saying? Real talk. We get in that pit today and shit. Polo throwing something. We here early as fuck. I'm finally on time.
That nigga ain't never on time. Never on time is what y'all.
I had to spend the night. Listen, I had to spend the night just to make it here on time and shit.
And I was on his phone, no cap. I'm on his phone at 9 o'clock this morning, bro. Where you at? Is you on your way? Oh, I'm here. Thank the Lord Jesus. Up, baby.
She sips.
MIA on top. She sips.
You feel me?
On top.
All right, we coming on. Mr. Reem, Mr. Reem.
Grab y'all some juices when y'all at these motherfucking pits. Nigga love to see that camera on his ass.
Shut up, motherfucker. Mango on your shit.
Oh, the mango on mango.
Come here.
Yeah, big MIA shit. We got some new members too.
Photo
Right.
TL, baby.
Slash Scat come up here. I don't know who else come up here.
Movement, man.
Global movement.
It's a global movement, man. We
Yes,
everywhere.
sir. How y'all fuck with the gold wheels? Y'all fuck with the gold wheels? Eventually thinking about getting me a spot out here, man. What y'all think, man? Not in the mood today. I'ma still be in South Carolina, but he like trying to give me a little spot that when I'm out here. Be buying on Airbnb, them shits add up, man. You feel me? We on a budget over here. Well, Slash Scat finally got over here. Nigga finally got here.
Spinning this shit today.
These greedy motherfuckers at JJ's and shit. Yeah, gotta make the food stop first, huh?
I ain't got no tires, man. If I slide, it's over with.
Cap.
Oh, no.
As long as them banners in Atlanta, we did right. What they talking about?
You see them banners out there? The show cars or some shit?
Nah, we should have parked over there, but we got our own pocket. Meet them niggas. Yes, they do. They ain't got catfish bites, nigga. What you talking about? I'm
Yeah,
with the
bro.
JJ.
Stop.
That shit trash, my boy.
I don't fucking mean it, bro. Listen.
Look.
I told you that, bro.
Gus and shit called Good Eats.
Good Eats.
Off Simpson.
You said Good Eats?
Good Eats.
They was on TikTok. They said they gas.
See, TikTok be ruining all the hood spots.
Oh, God, to do. They
No.
ruined King Fuel. That's how I found King Fuel in Columbia. They got that same little white sauce on the chicken, but they chicken, they shit halal. So, you know, they cooking it with the good shit.
See? This shit good, man. Y'all full of.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. This good.
I want to get somebody on there.
It's some girl over there that sales that I want
You too. Look at this lineup, though. Look at this lineup, though, y'all. The MOPARS and Ashton and step about this motherfucker. Niggas got a whole line out there. What you doing in this nigga? slid right now, you feel me? We about to go one more and shit.
Don't kill me now.
Nah.
What is it, bro?
I got so much energy.
shutting it down right now. I don't know where for, but we gonna just post up somewhere else until we figure out the next spot. Oh shit! Hi.
Y'all know what's going on. It's SRT Reem. Follow me on all social media platforms. You know, with my dog Reem. He did his motherfucking thing today, y'all.
First time in the pit. First time in the pit.
And that boy went crazy. That boy snapped in the pit, man.
We waiting on his ass now.
Look,
yeah.
look. I would've did it.
Flat cat gonna be in the pit.
The pit's so small.
Where you at? Where shot that shit out?
What's up, y'all? MAA, MOPARS in action. It's Misha.
Yeah.
Where shot that shit out?
Hey, man, you know we got SRT King Chris out here.
We get this nigga in the pit next time. We get his ass in the pit next time. Go and shout that shit out, man.
Man,
we on the vlog with it.
Man. You wanna go follow me?
Yeah. We at the second spot, huh? Type shit.
Yeah,
type
we
shit.
outside, man. You know what I'm saying? With your boy Redeye Reem. You know what I'm saying?
I'm just not seeing the fucking decal when I went on my shit. I'm like, what?
Saying.
Need a cut up?
Saying.
And he got that motherfucking, yeah. And he got that motherfucker with that Joker.
You crazy.
First of all,
driver. You're crazy.
my dash cam.
That bitch is wild. Hey, man, we outside, man. My boy in Atlanta, you know what I'm saying? He came through. He really popped it, you feel me? He said he was going to do it. Now, you know, South Carolina, I don't know if they soggy or not, you know what I'm saying? But he came out here and popped it, man. It's all love out
You
here,
going
bro.
to DJ Tito Pit? What's up?
I ain't going to be able to make it, man. I got some class.
Hey.
I know you the man to do it. Hey, we can do a tandem with Dummy?
Tonight?
Right there.
Reemski.
What, over here?
Let's do a tandem.
Over here?
Right now.
Let's do a tandem real quick.
Right there. Right now.
That shit tight as fuck.
Oh my God. Okay, so you don't know
I slide over there though. I ain't never did no tandem and shit, man. I just pulled up. Motherfuckers already on bush. And oh, like,
It's so much space right there.
That'd be
Past the
easy.
stop sign.
That'd be
Yeah,
easy.
it's enough space for sure. Y'all want me to show you?
Yeah.
Everybody good? I ain't slitting, so I feel like I need some content so bad.
good with you, man.
What's up, son?
Oh, they did drop low.
Hold that motherfucker up, man.
Hey, man. The realest. You know what I'm saying? The motherfucking realest. You know what
Yes,
I'm saying?
sir.
MOPARS and motherfucking action, dog. Oh, yes. Yes, sir.
Tight shit,
You know what
yeah.
I'm saying? I needed that shit.
I love to see that.
Yeah.
Hey,
Why
bro.
not?
Huh?
Why not?
You better give me a bite?
Yeah. You gotta bite like all this. You don't know what sauce that is yet.
Nigga post up looking all cool and shit. They over here taking pictures and shit. Keep it cute, nigga. Look, you know, serious and shit.
Pretty boy.
Look at his ass. Look at him over there, boy. They trying to look all serious and shit, boy.
Yes, sir. MOPARS in fucking action, bitch. Yeah, get nominated, pussy.
Congratulations, my boy.
This band out here, we just hit 12.5K now, so.
Better put that bone right now.
Yeah, I just watched this bitch.
You got a little,
Squeegee?
I got one. I think. You know what you're doing? Hell no, I didn't know what the fuck you doing. Hey, Misha, hey, help him out real quick, man. Help him out. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah. MOPARS
Yeah.
in action. Not
Let's
none
do
of that
it.
Chevy shit.
What the? You don't even have a leg to stand on.
Nigga, I got two, nigga. Yeah. You thought I just had surgery, I can stand up? Yeah,
sir.
red eye, nigga.
220, nigga.
That bitch can't even hit 180. You're crazy.
Line it up.
You're crazy. Line it up with what? Your shit stop.
I know, I'm sorry.
Oh, man.
Yes!
Soon the nigga said your shit stopped, it died.
Yeah, because the camera know that shit a
I
lot.
gotta go get a battery and start this argument.
Nah, the camera.
Who am I, bro? Who are you? Hey, man, I'm supposed to
It's you.
Playing with another just 4,000 for the body.
Hey, 12 coming down here.
Oh, you know, man.
We spent money.
That's what I'm saying. Hey, come on, stop. Hey, no, it's good, man. Everything good.
Pay for parking.
We're keeping it chill.
We spent hella money, too.
Why everybody get quiet? Everybody get quiet. Now we turning it up. Yeah.
Fuck 12, man. Fuck 12, man. Them bitch ain't nothing, man.
Hey,
Smoke,
and if we all go to jail, whoop-de-doo.
Shit
roll it.
Huh? No.
That bitch nigga, hell
Right.
no.
They gonna get to the good.
Oh shit! They got somebody. Oh shit! We're reporting now. Somebody's going to jail. Somebody's going to jail.
Let's go. MOPARS and action, little bitch, you know we slime for MIA. Riding around with fully gloss, slide on who blocked this, that's the case. Told got pushed out on his chart, that bitch hit hard, take off his face. RPMs just skip the gear, it's hard to steer, he down today. MIA, we up in traffic, MIA, we up in action. Push the wood, we up in action. Batmobile, this bitch, it dash. They say this bitch, yeah, the flashy, yeah, the way I switch the traffic.